So you guys probably saw this already, but screw it, we're going to break it down anyway. Ford EVs will now use Tesla charging tech and surprise partnership between the two rivals. This is crazy and probably the biggest news of the past week or two. Under the agreement, current Ford owners will be granted access to more than 12,000 Tesla superchargers across the US and Canada starting early next year via the use of an adapter. And check this out, guys. Ford's next generation of EVs, they'll be expected by mid-decade, will include Tesla's charging plug, allowing owners of Ford vehicles to charge at Tesla superchargers without an adapter. And Farley, the CEO of Ford, he said the company is totally committed to a single US charging protocol that includes the Tesla plug port known as NACS. And check this out, guys, pretty wild. So in Tesla's first quarter shareholder deck, the company disclosed that it has roughly 45,000 supercharger connectors worldwide and almost 5,000 supercharger stations. And think about it, guys. What if Tesla does this with other companies? Maybe other, American automakers, maybe some foreign automakers. I don't know, guys. What if they're able to make other partnerships with other companies here to bring them access to their supercharger networks without, an adapter, maybe with an adapter? I don't know, guys. This is big news in my opinion, and it's very good for Ford and Tesla. What do you guys think? Don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo in my bio.